We're gonna see Mommy and Gracie. Thank you. We are gonna go see Mommy and Gracie show. And they are really fun. We haven't seen them in a few months, so we're super excited. And they're super fun, so go check their channel out if you haven't already. So yeah, let's go.
I think we got it. I think we got it. It's right there.
Hurry.
I think. Hurry.
Oh. You can do it. Thank you. Yes. We made it. Woo. Whoa, that was kind of close.
Please board safely.
Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon.
Walking down Main Street, walking down Main Street. Yes, we are walking down Main Street. Well, technically not yet. This isn't really Main Street, but
You would just float away. If you held those, you would just float away. You would be, is it Russell? Who's from Up?
Stan. We'll call him Stan.
Stan?
I don't know. Stan.
What is his name? I'm going blank.
I can't remember.
It's not Russell.
Russell's the boy.
Mr. Fredrickson.
Mr.
Right?
Frank.
Fredrickson. Mr. Fredrickson.
Hi, my name is Russell. If you need any help with anything, I can help you. I don't know the actual line, but yeah.
Elena, for sharing your story.
And your
It was really an honor to be invited into your magical kingdom. You are welcome to explore anytime you wish. Gracias. Can't wait to see more and visit with all these nice people.
Everybody is all excited that they painted these rocks blue. I have no idea why they painted them blue, silver looking.
It looks like moon rocks or something, like space rocks.
Oh yeah, I guess I can see that.
It looks like platinum to me.
You think it's what?
Like a platinum color.
Platinum color?
It's like a titanium. It looks like titanium.
Looks like titanium. That, I guess, makes sense. Do you think the ducks like them?
I don't know. There's like
Look who we found. Blah. Pablo. Blah. With one eye. Blah. And Pablo's been getting high fives from all your friends here at Magic Kingdom.
Between, like, I keep like walking up to random people and I'm like, can you give them a high five? And like half of them are like, okay. And then
Why not, right?
High five.
Seriously, I love it. Look at the popcorn Mickey. He's cute. He's Christmassy. All right, Hunter can't decide what to get. It's a small world after all. Yeah. Can you see that excitement right there for It's a Small World?
Something's gonna happen to you.
I'm going to start singing that song all the time now, just for you, Hunter. There you go. There you got the high five.
It's a small world after all.
Our favorite section, wave to all the kids. Oh, no one's waving. There we go. Hi. Hi.
Hello, there's no one Oh no.
Yeah, that is kind of a blank canvas. Gracie just found a hidden Mickey right there on the leaves. All the way up. How cool is that? Buzz Lightyear. I've been practicing. I think I'm gonna beat you, Hunter. To infinity and beyond. We're ready, Buzz. Let the games begin.
Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. Up. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
I think you're purposely trying to make me lose.
Yes, I am.
Hunter's spinning, so I can't score.
Do your score. Remember,
All right. 183. That was my high score. Planetary pilots. A little busy. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party starts in 15 minutes. Everyone's lined up waiting to get in. The monorail is down, so they're doing the resort monorail and ferry, and look at this line for the ferry. It goes on and on and on and on. Look at it. It goes way all the way down and all the way back there.
resort monorail.
Even the resort monorail is busy. Oh, looks like that is crazy. And look at the line, it like swoops all the way around.
It's only for training. The buses are only for training right now. Oh my god.
Wow, it's gonna make a whole circle around. Look at that. That is crazy. Just for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. That is seriously craziness. I've never seen a line that long here at the Ticket and Transportation Center just to get into Magic Kingdom. That is insane. It was really fun seeing Mommy and Gracie and Sweet Rolly. It was just a lot of fun just hanging out at Magic Kingdom and just chilling out. So if you guys liked the video, give us a thumbs up and make sure you check out the Mommy and Gracie show and Sweet Willie's Kitchen. Keep on dreaming and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Love you all.